Alright, put it back down for us. Alright, good job. Alright, just get a concept of what's going on here. That's one of the reasons I built this hoop, is that really there's nothing to this to escape other than the fact that my hands were like this first. And then I do it like that and just pull them right out. So, no matter how tight he binds me when my hands are like this, if I twist my wrist that way, I can slide right back out. And you can do a lot of fun in and outs like that with people. Or you can bring it up and down, and at the end, after he pulls it back up, you can just take the belt off, you know, and then drop it on the floor, and then drop the hoop out. And you can walk right out of your escape, fun free.
Did anybody ever ask you to help the hoop?
Yeah, you can. I'll do it. I'll do it with Jackie. I'll just turn around real quick, or I'll just be like, I'll make a big giant jerking action at it. You just overemphasize everything. Make it really big and dramatic, like, you know, make a gruntle noise like you're breaking something to do it. I was born with dislocatable shoulders. These are not necessary for what we're doing, but they're still fun to show people. They were like, oh yeah, we can do a straight check and see if they need to have a dislocated shoulder. I'm like, oh yeah, totally. Look at it. You know, Harry Houdini, he could dislocate both his shoulders, where his brother can only dislocate the one shoulder, so it didn't matter which hand was on top when he did his escape. That's what the story they tell us, at least. I've never been Harry Houdini's doctor, I don't know if it's true.